Welcome. Today we'll understand water system validation that proves pharmaceutical water systems consistently produce water meeting required quality standards. In pharmaceuticals, water is more than a utility. It acts as a raw material, cleaning agent, and formulation component, directly impacting product quality and patient safety. Before validation begins, every water system must complete design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, and finally performance qualification. Design qualification confirms the proposed system design meets user requirements, quality targets, flow rates, materials of construction, and GMP expectations. Installation qualification verifies correct installation, while operational qualification proves equipment performs within approved operating parameters. Phase 1 is the most intensive validation stage. Every purification step and every point of use is sampled daily to understand how the system performs. During Phase 1, conductivity, TOC, microbial counts, and endo levels are evaluated to establish operating parameters and future monitoring limits. Phase 2 confirms that approved procedures work consistently. Manufacturing may begin while water quality remains under intensive monitoring. Phase 3 extends for a full year, proving the water system consistently performs despite seasonal changes in feed water quality. Seasonal monitoring captures changes in temperature, minerals, and microbial load that could affect pharmaceutical water systems. Purified water and water for injection follow similar validation principles, but WFI requires stricter microbial and endotoxin control. Poor design creates major risks. Dead legs, low flow velocity, and improper drainage can encourage contamination and biofilm growth. Operational failures such as inadequate sanitization, temperature drops, or poor pre-treatment can quickly compromise water quality. Poor sampling techniques and insufficient monitoring points can create false results or delay detection of real problems. One of the biggest validation mistakes is rushing through Phase 1. Without sufficient data, future monitoring limits and procedures may be unreliable. Dead legs create stagnant water zones, where temperature drops and microorganisms can thrive, making them a frequent inspection finding. A real validation investigation traced elevated endotoxin levels to a poorly designed branch where water stagnation reduced sanitization effectiveness. After redesigning the branch and requalifying sanitization, the system returned to compliance and consistently achieved acceptable endotoxin results. Successful facilities don't wait for failures. They monitor trends continuously and investigate unusual patterns before specifications are exceeded. Any significant change to a validated water system requires formal assessment, risk evaluation, and, when necessary, revalidation. Regulators expect complete documentation, traceable validation records, robust monitoring programs, and evidence of ongoing system control. Validation is not a one-time event. Annual reviews ensure the system remains in a state of control throughout its life cycle. Thank you for watching. Follow for more pharmaceutical GMP, validation, quality assurance, and regulatory compliance training content.